Hi guys. So today our topic is about how to create an icon tabs using Elementor for free. So let me show you how can we achieve this. So let me go to your let me go to my dashboard. So you need to go to your dashboard as well. So then you need to create a new page and click on edit with Elementor. So I already have created a page, then I just need to click on edit with Elementor. So I will click on edit with Elementor here. Then just go to your widget. So in search widget, you need to search for tabs. You can see I already have the tabs. Just drag and drop the here. And then I want to give a margin from top and bottom. So how can we do that? Just click on six dots here, then go to advanced. Then from here, just give it, and then just unlink the values. And from here, just give it 60 and 60 from top and 60 from bottom. That's how you can give it a margin from top and bottom. And then just click on this section here and then go to tab items and rename your tabs. So for example, I want to add here home. So you can do any, you can give it any title that you want. So I will give it home here, and then here icon. So now it's none. So you can have your own icon. So you can upload your SVG. And if you don't have, just go to icon library here. And here I will search for home. So here it is. I will click on it and then insert my home here. Home icon here. And then in the second tab, I'll have, for example, I want to add my contact details here in the second tab. And I will go to icon library and then I will search for phone. I will insert this one here. And in the third tab, for example, I want to write my address details or anything else that you like. Example, here it is, and then icon library, and then I will insert this icon. You can see here it is. So if you want to change the style of tabs, just go to style, and here just go to the icon here. Sorry for that, just go to the tabs here, and here just choose classic, and here it is, choose the color. So I will choose black here, and in text I will go here in titles. I will make it, here you can see, and icon I will make icons. Well, in the hover section it is like this. I will go to tabs, and here over I will make it something like this. Here it is. You can see here it is on the hover section, or something like, yeah, it's looking quite good here. So you can see now. Let me change the tab hover color here, and active color. So I will change it to something like blue. You can see now it's looking quite good here. And then I will click on publish here. I will go back to my content section here. From here, if you want to add a widget in the home section here, just click on plus icon here, and from here just choose any one of these columns. So I will choose these two columns, and on the left section I want to add adding, and I will go back again my widget section, then I will add text here. You can see here it is. So now on the right container, so I want to add image here. So I will go back and choose any image. For example, I will choose these mangoes. You can see, let me choose this one. That's looking quite good. So I want to make center this one. So just go justify content, make it center here, and align items, make it here. And I will make my text center here as well. So now you can see uh, you can change your adding and you can change the text here as well. So I will go to contact here. You can add a form here in this section. It's totally up to you. So I will add, let me search, let me look for a form here. Simple, if I have a form. So I don't have a form now. So I will add a text here. Let me add a text here. And in the address section, I will not add anything here. Let me show you the preview. Here you can see home, contact, and address. So that's how you can make your icon tabs using Elementor for free. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. Kindly don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.